Greetings to everybody. In the past century, more than 30 non-domestic currency debt crises resulted in millions of individuals losing all their wealth along with the transactional value. As far as the major fiat currency such as euro, USD, Great British pound, Japanese yen, Swiss francs are concerned. Only Swiss francs has been the currency in the 21st century that has managed to hold positive peer-to-peer or purchasing power. This implies that its relation with inflation has been negative. Despite this, the Swiss National Bank in 2015 abandoned the euro-Swiss francs floor at 1.20 euros, which resulted in chaos around the fiat currencies market. Gay's Cash Index helps solve this problem by ensuring that people get the best peer-to-peer or purchasing power in the future. Gay's Cash decentralized monetary system has two primary components, including the index that comes from the final market making of the FX market and is much more stable when compared to other global currencies, including silver and gold. Gay's Cash has also backed up its currency with the help of the blockchain class. This provides value to both users and investors in an immutable and decentralized manner. So, what is Gay's Cash? Gay's Cash, the first decentralized finance monetary system available to crypto users, recently appointed Platinum Crypto Academy and Cryptoneer Weekly magazine to support and further their platform among cryptocurrency enthusiasts. The platform expected to hit the market in the fourth quarter of 2021 with technology integration on Avalanche and Chainlink will solve the issue of decentralized as well as the long-term stability of assets. With the addition of decentralized finance monetary system, Gay's Cash, Chainlink has suppressed 500 integration. This is according to Chainlink Development Community, the Link Marine 2.0. Investors and participants of the Chainlink ecosystem are affectionately known as Link Marines. Gay's Cash aims to make its liquidity pool, Gay's Field, a profitable investment by taking Tether's present volume of 100 billion USD average per day. The company will ensure that Gay's Cash gets globally adopted and becomes a benchmark for pricing and exchanging goods and services across the globe. Users interested in investing in Gay's Cash can join the pre-sale currently being held by the company. Once the tokens are sold out, Gay's Cash will release its second 100 million GOF. Currently, one GOF is valued at 0.1 AVAX and brings a yield of 30x. Gay's Cash liquidity pool, Gay's Field, will only work AVAX for measuring yield timelines for staking, making it public. As a result, investors will incur huge gains for chasing Tether first and thereafter the leading currency pair Euro USD. Individuals who don't prefer the obvious economic pitfalls and centralization offered by the stablecoins, along with token representation, USDC, Tether, TUSDC, etc., can take their cryptocurrency and invest it in Gay's Cash. Gay's Cash shall come into existence in the form of a free-of-cost service and covers all the market demands in the cryptocurrency space. Gay's Cash protocol uses various APIs from international financial institutions to calculate the basket weighted average index price. This weighted index represents a broad range of fiat currencies, resulting in a stable basket resistant to regional monetary policy movements. It also retains stability beyond prominent single fiat pairs such as USD-based stablecoins. Gay's Cash uses this stable index as a benchmark currency to power its peer-to-peer decentralized finance monetary system. Gay's Cash integrates into its protocol market leading Oracle network Chainlink to access a gold gram US dollar decentralized price feed. The Chainlink powered gold gram US dollar price feed ensures that The GAIS index is priced against USD at fair market value and without possible tampering. The GAIS index mathematical formulation brings to the end user to existing innovation. If any major fiat collapse in the future because of hyperinflation, massive devaluation, the index converts to a stable value. Testing the behavior of the index, they can demonstrate that it outperforms any other fiat currency in the world, delivering the best available purchasing power at any given time. Being backed by decentralized digital assets, user can opt out of traditional Swiss franc monetary system. Please visit their website if you have any more inquiries. You may also join their Telegram channel. It's the Telegram channel for the company. If you are interested, please join this channel. Thank you everyone for staying with me still to the end of the video.